There are many products available to choose from ping pong tables, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best ping pong tables from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jula. Inside 25, the Jula Inside 25 Table Tennis Table. It's up there as one of the most popular table tennis tables ever. It's a great choice for intermediate or advanced players looking for their first table, or perhaps a family looking for the best ping pong table for the home that's easy to fold and store away when not in use. It comes in 3 table thicknesses, but my favorite is the 25mm version, the Jula Inside 25, supported by 1.5-inch thick steel legs to keep it sturdy and safe. It splits into 2 pieces, which makes it really easy to move around. Plus, you can fold up one side to play ping pong on your own. Honestly, there is little to separate the Inside 25 and Tour 2500. Both share near identical specs and are the same price. However, the Inside range is being phased out as it is older, so for that reason, I'd slightly favor the Tour 2500. In any case, it's still one of the best ping pong tables you can purchase. Besides the hefty weight and 1-year warranty period, I can't really fault it. Number 2. Stiga Advantage Pro. My second choice is the Stiga Advantage Pro, another popular recreational table that ticks many boxes you should look for in the best table tennis table. It's a regulation-size 9x5-foot model and incredibly simple to set up. It took just 10 minutes from the box to play. The playing surface comes in a few different table thicknesses. I like the Stiga Advantage Pro version, which is 3/4 inch, 19 millimeters. But you can get the regular Stiga Advantage, which is available at a lower price. However, it has a 5/8 inch, 16 millimeters thick table surface. The cheapest version, which I don't recommend, is the Stiga Advantage Lite. Its tabletop thickness is just 1/2 inch, 13 millimeters. So it is not that fun to play on. The Advantage Pro is made with a thick, medium-density fiberboard that Stiga finishes with multiple layers of paint to ensure a smooth surface and consistent bounce. In my opinion, the bounce quality is very respectable, but it does fall short of the top ping pong tables on the market. Number 3. Jula Nova Pro Plus. The Jula Nova Pro Plus Outdoor is an indoor-outdoor weatherproof ping pong table built to last. It's got a 6mm thick aluminum and plastic composite surface that is warp-resistant to ensure it lasts for many years of outdoor use. Despite this playing surface being of good quality for an outdoor model, this is still its weakest area, as the table is just so damn good everywhere else. The bounce is poor compared to indoor models because it's made of a composite material rather than wood, but this is true of all outdoor tables. So it's a broad weakness of these tables rather than the Nova Pro Plus specifically. Regarding outdoor models, I found it to be one of the better models for bounce. Back to the positives. The table's frame is made from galvanized steel. This sits on a 30mm by 30mm undercarriage that's rust-resistant and safe. Yet where the Nova Pro Plus excels is portability. This table has 8 6-inch double-locking casters, meaning it can tackle some seriously tough terrain. Long grass? No problem. Bumpy cobble? Easy peasy. This table is among the best you can get if maneuverability is your primary goal. Few tables have wheels larger than 4 inches, so double 6-inch wheels are incredible. The table also has folding legs and comes in 2 sections like most, making it easy to move around. You can also set it in a playback position to practice by yourself. Number 4. Jula United Pro. Another fantastic table is the Jula United Pro 18, the Jula Motion and Jula Rally TL. It's hugely popular with beginners and intermediate players looking for a durable, reliable option that won't break the bank. The Jula United Pro, like most tables, comes in 3 different playing surface thicknesses. The 5/8 inch is the standard version and is more than adequate for most players. But if you can afford a bit extra, I recommend the 3/4-inch model, which has a superior bounce. It's not tournament grade, but most intermediate players will happily play on it. Even as an advanced player, I still find it good enough to use. The Jula United Pro 18 has a tabletop made from medium-density fiberboard and multiple layers of paint to ensure a smooth and consistent ball bounce. It also has 4 locking wheels and leg levelers to keep the playing surface as flat as possible. Number 5. Stiga XTR. Up next is the Stiga XTR, a great outdoor full-size table tennis table built to withstand all that Mother Nature can throw at it. The 6mm aluminum top is made with an exterior grade powder coating, and the legs are made with waterproof galvanized steel that won't rust and is resistant to sun damage. These materials make it perfect for all year-round play in all climates. It's built to resist moisture, which can cause even the best indoor table tennis tables to warp and lose shape. The 1.5-inch tubular steel apron supports the tabletop and ensures the bounce is even across the whole table's surface. I found it incredibly easy to fold away when not in use due to its self-opening feature that automatically deploys its steel legs when opening or closing it. Like other tables, it has adjustable leg levelers and strong 3-inch locking wheels for easy and safe transport.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.